Hi guys and welcome back to Pearl Property. I'm here with lovely Pinky.
Hello. Today we bring you to see one of the top city center location of Pattaya Condo, which is just launched. So it's new high-rise building in Pattaya city center. Just 2 minutes to walking street, 5 minutes to Central Festival.
So the name is Grand Solaire Noble. It's like a big building, right? With 50 stories.
Story, 1,700 unit, and the land size 12,000 square meter of land size, or around 8 right. And they have so many facility.
So the construction will start in next year, first quarter. But right now we have the model available and the showroom. So I think without further ado, let's have a look inside. Follow us. So here we are at the model. As you see, it's very tall already in terms of a model. So it will be even taller in real life. So this one is 50-story condominium, 1,700 units. And Pinky, here is already one of the many facilities.
There are 5 stories of the parking floor, and this one is on the top, and this one is a clubhouse and water park. Big water parks inside your condo, so you don't have to go anywhere to water park anymore.
Actually, this water park is really nice because it has like a lazy river. If you ever went to Pattaya and you stay at the Centara Grand, probably they have like a in North Pattaya, they have a very nice water park, very similar to this one. You have like this lazy river, you have an Olympic-sized swimming pool, you also have an area for the kids' swimming pool, and it will be like in a tropical garden setting.
There are included steam and saunas and gym. So this is for the 5th floor. Of course, on the 1st floor, you have luxury lobbies, co-working rooms, meeting rooms, another big and top of facility on the top.
Where we have in total 4 stories of the rooftop pool.
From 44 to 50, so 6. Yeah.
Okay, they have a helipad.
Just like a double. Yeah, some floor is like a double. You have big entertainment on the rooftop. You have big swimming pool, sky pool, you have sky bar, restaurant, cinema rooms.
Yes, and the rooftop pool, it will look something very similar to the one what you see in Singapore, the Marina Bay Sands. So they have a 200 meters wraparound swimming pool, kind of like a beach club also, wraparound swimming pool, so you can enjoy the views from the top. Also have a restaurant there.
Sky bar, enjoy the drink, international restaurant there. Right.
And this one even open for the public as well, for the restaurant and for the bar. So also people from like outside, they can also enjoy kind of as in a hotel, they can also enjoy like a restaurant and the bar there.
As we mentioned, this building is on 3rd road, so we're close to South Pattaya intersection, which is like in Pattaya city center area. And of course, from the top, you can see like Bali High, Bay, Pattaya view, and you can see like when they have fireworks, it's gonna be beautiful.
Yes, it's more like a rooftop bar restaurant concept, what you know from Bangkok, from some of the like a nicer luxury hotels in Bangkok. And this one, they will have it here on top on this condominium. Over here we have another area, so this one will be the main entrance. So here is the Pattaya 3rd road, so you can enter with the car here. As Pinky mentioned, they have 5 levels of car parking. Here they have sports area, like you can play like a badminton, tennis or football or basketball. Over here have also some units with like a private swimming pool, bigger balconies, bigger terraces. This way will be looking towards Pattaya Bay,
Patamnak, and probably at the end to Jomtien side.
This side will be directly facing towards like a Bali High and directly facing towards the sea. So all these units are like very nice because on like a higher floor, like a 15-20 floor, you can already have like a very nice sea views.
Actually, there are so many types in this building for you to choose. Like even 1 bedroom, there are several types. Start from 34, 40, 43, 52. Not like a small size at all. You can choose. And they have also 2 bedroom, which is start from 60, 92, 112, 120s, and 3 bedroom like 132s, 150s, and so on. So you have many types to choose in this building, and all unit is like a good size.
Yes, big balcony, and also all units come fully furnished. Yes. So, and now we have a few show units available, which we will show you next. Please follow us. So this one is the first show unit.
Inside 43 square meter, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom.
Quite nice, very bright interior.
Luxury, elegant design. So when you come in, you will have your living room with sofa here with the tables, TV.
Yes, and over here we have the dining table, enough for two. So I think it's the right size for like a holiday home.
Then the kitchen. So you have kitchen counter, sink for your dish, for cooking, microwave, and also you have space for washing machine. Actually, the unit includes built-in furniture, loose furniture, no electric appliance. So no TV, no refrigerator, washing machine.
And in the bedroom, they will include also all like a loose furniture, like the bedside table, the king size bed. Of course, the aircon will be only this wall will be like a white wall, will be not like a marble style wall, but also the built-in wardrobe will be included. Over here, you will have like a sliding door to balcony, and you can also access, of course, from the living room as well to the balcony.
Let's see the bathroom. I love the bathroom here because they have also bathtub. So this is the bathroom door. You have shower room, which is like rain shower installed in the wall, and then you have a toilet here, the sink, and the bathtub.
And the price of this unit for 43 square meter is
starting with around 5 million, starting with 119,000 baht per square meter.
That's around 125,000 euro, 135,000 US dollar for like a fully furnished apartment in Third Road, Central Pattaya. I think it's quite nice. Now we bring you to the second show unit. That one will be the most common one, 34 square meter unit.
I would say like 1 bedroom most unit in the building is this type.
Yes.
So 34 square meter, quite regular size.
Also good for like a holiday home. The living room is a little bit shorter than in the 43 square meter one, but you still have a bedside table, sofa. You have on this side, you have the TV counter and the TV as well. And you have here also the fully equipped kitchen.
And I would say actually it's similar size, quite the same size with 42s.
Also, I think many of you will appreciate that they also have space for the washing machine here. So you don't have to put the washing machine outside on the balcony. And also have the space here for quite large refrigerator. In the previous project, they only had this kind of small refrigerator, same style as in the hotel.
And the balcony is smaller, but I think of course you don't mind to have like a smaller, just like a chair for the coffee outside or sea view.
And then inside here, okay, it's a little bit smaller also for the bedroom, but I think it's still enough space to walk around and of course for sleeping, because you can still fit a king size bed in here.
Yeah, and the bed is quite nice design.
Looks like a Bentley seat.
Ooh, branded design furniture.
Yes.
And also bedside table, which is fit together with bed, wardrobe already built in. Of course, aircon. The bathroom pretty same. So you have a shower room, toilet, sinks, and the bathtub. And this size starting from 3.7 million with fully furnished.
So around 98,000 euro or like 110,000 US dollar. All right, guys, so now we show you the anti-shoebox apartment. So
the big shoebox with 2 bedrooms.
A little bit bigger size.
This one is quite big shoebox with 92 square meters. So you have 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom. And of course, big living rooms. We can start with the kitchen zone.
Yes, I mean, like, it's really nice that you have like quite a lot of space here. You have even dining table enough for 4 person, of course, because it's a 2-bedroom apartment. We even have here the space for an oven. They have Bosch quality oven, so it's nice. Stove, of course.
Stove for 4 plates. Hood, and this is for dish. And all the storage, like cabinet for your kitchen.
And also here they have the space, double door refrigerator. So it's really nice to have like a lot of space. So this apartment is really good for even living, not only for like a holiday home. So this one can consider for actually living in Pattaya.
For 2-bedroom, there are also several types. Start from 60 square meter. This one is 92 square meter, of course, bigger one. And for this side, mostly on the high floor, higher than 30 stories, so like 33, 35 floors, something like this. So actually the price of this type, 17 million starting. But if you want like 2-bedroom and smaller side, they have 60 square meter with 7.1 million. Is also quite popular unit for 2-bedroom.
I mean, like for this one, you get like a direct Pattaya sea view, right? So this one is the front unit, so you not only get the space, but you also get the view.
Yes, of course. This is like a top view for sure for this side.
We have bigger living room, of course, sofa, coffee table.
Even laptop.
Can
So
put
it's nice,
another mattress here. Have 3-bedroom.
Yes, for your guests.
Yeah. Okay, we have a big TV, of course, and here is the opening to the balcony. And the balcony, of course, is also much bigger. You have to the left side, it will be to the master bedroom, and the right side will be also accessible from the...
This is not a joke. You get bigger balcony than the living room. Actually, it's nice. You can have like an outdoor bed. You can always sit and enjoy the night view of Pattaya.
You both have at daytime, have the nice view of the sea, and at nighttime you will also see all the city lights.
But okay, maybe daytime is a little bit hot, so you can sit at evening time.
Yes, of course.
Nighttime.
And then to our right hand side we have the master bedroom. So the master bedroom, of course, also much bigger than in the other apartments. Nice king size bed, a lot of space around the bed as well.
Yeah, the beds always look grand.
Nice
I
design.
love it. Yes, and bedside together.
And over there you have the sliding door to go to the balcony as well. You have built-in wardrobe, even here some more space for like a vanity table. Of course, the bathroom is also much bigger. We have 2 sinks, like a large mirror, rain shower, jacuzzi, bathtub on the side. This Japanese toilet as well.
This is for the 2nd bedroom. Same design of king size bed, wardrobe. Actually, the room size I would say pretty much same. Just don't have the bathroom inside, so you just need to go out and then the bathroom.
Okay, and also the vanity table is missing.
Make up here.
Yeah, but also you have the opening here to the balcony as well. So all bedrooms have like direct access to the balcony.
This is a bathroom and you can use as a guest toilet, shower room, sink here and toilet. Nice special design, like not normal white sink, which just look quite premium.
So this is it about the Grand Solaire Noble. Nice project. Will be finished in Q4 2028.
Now you can still shoot like nice position unit and have flexible payment plan on construction.
So basically 30% contract payment, 60% over the construction period, and then 10% when the project is completed. When you move in, you pay the rest.
Yes, so if you're looking for a nice condominium in the city center, 2 minutes to walking street, 5 minutes to Central Festival.
With a lot of facilities on the rooftop. Actually, if you know, the Hilton rooftop is like 800 square meter. This one is 4,000 square meters.
So 5 times
Five times the size of the Hilton rooftop of the Horizon restaurant, let's say. If you're looking for something extraordinary,
like
then
full option service.
Exactly, then probably this one is the right fit. So if you want to get more information, you can drop us a message or check the listing in the description below, and you can call us or send us an email or write us online or WhatsApp. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and as always, see you guys on next Sunday. Thank you very much.